What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Food Arrow. Today's episode, we're going to be making banana bread. This is banana bread like Mom used to make. Actually, this is her recipe. Let's get started. First, you're going to need 2 ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter the flavor. Mash the bananas in a bowl with a fork, and then set the bowl aside. In a large bowl, cream the butter with sugar. Then add the eggs and vanilla, and mix. Add the flour, baking soda, and salt, and mix again. Add the mashed bananas, sour cream, and chopped nuts. Mix all the ingredients together and pour the batter into a well-greased loaf pan. Bake the batter for an hour at 350 degrees. After an hour, test the banana bread with a toothpick. If any of the batter comes out on the toothpick, it might need to go a little bit longer. The toothpick should come out clean. Wait a few minutes for the bread to cool, then cut into it and add some butter. Make sure to check out our Instagram and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tasty videos like this. Until then, happy eating.